Hey there guys, it is the Cubist here and welcome back to another video. With me is a Rubik's Cube and it takes me roughly 14 to 15 seconds to solve it once. And today we put that to the test. So basically how this works is that I will solve this cube 10 times, and for every time that I get a solve that is more than 15 seconds, I will be punished. So let's get right into it. And these guys are my punishments. Well, safe for now. On to the second. Second solve looks okay, I guess. No, that's a bad start. Good recovery. Oh no! Oh no! So close! Oh no! Alright then, let's go ahead and have my face painted. Well, this is so bad, guys. This is very bad. Oh no, I guess I'm not even gonna draw on my face. I'm just gonna put it so that I'm embarrassed and all of you can laugh. Alright, time for some red. Put it, and then. Oh god, this looks so bad. I mean, okay, fine, but this doesn't make sense. Let's put some here. This is blue. It's rather wet. Here. It smells lovely though. Okay, so yeah, let's go on to our next solve with this thing on my cheeks. Then with paint on our face, let's solve it for the third time. Just save, Jesus Christ. Lucky one that. Wait, I didn't have. How dare you? You see this, guys? I am so good at this. I'm not gonna get another plus 15. Let's go. Okay, I really don't like this scramble. Going really bad. Well. Okay, what do we have now? I think I have to put on winter wear. Oh no. Okay, I don't mind this one that much though. Okay, fine, time for some winter wear. Anyway, so I got this stuff, this jacket. This, I don't know what it is, but it feels really warm. So yeah, and I don't know, the weather's like 30 degrees centigrade and I'm wearing all of this. Okay, so this one shouldn't be that bad. I have to do a solve in this. Oh wow, I really love you guys, you know, that I'm doing all of this. Yeah, okay. Well, this goes in. And time for this big guy. Oh my. Oh my god, what are you? It's a Russian overcoat. Where's the bloody sleeve? Yeah, Okay, fine, there we go. There we go, 30 degrees outside. And I am well dressed indeed. Okay, this is really difficult. I feel so warm. Yeah, this is good. Okay. I like this crumble too. Please don't mess up. Don't mess up. Safe, okay. Who knew I was a better follower than follower? Come on, come on. Alright, well, you know what's coming up. Let's go. Okay then, time for a mini shower with my clothes on, of course. I think this video is a bad idea. Yeah, anyways, I don't think there's any point in wasting time. Let's go. Okay, so you see the shower? Yep, done. The water and the geyser wasn't on. 2 seconds of shower is so much water. I had no idea. And I better wash this off. Oh God. Oh no. You guys don't deserve this. Oh no. Anyways, well, I changed my shirt and well, I'm still feeling really cold. But yeah, let's get down for our last 2 salts, and I really don't want any more sub 15 plus. I mean, it was fun so far, but now it's begun to get a little bad. It's actually a really good salt. Okay, time for the last one. Much better. well, okay, fine. Alright. So this was the 10th solve, which is a 15 plus. So I will do one more solve and I will sing alongside. Let's go then. I'm getting this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you what I'm feeling. And I make you understand. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna hear you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. I'm gonna feel alive and hurt you. Oh, so long. I don't know what this line is. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Some part of it was really fun, some of it was not fun. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, brigado.